Hello Woodwards, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to check out customer completely mouse free using Odoo POS keyboard shortcut. So let's see about that, how it works. You can see here module Day POS keyboard shortcut. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to POS site, go to configuration menu and under this settings, provided here option keyboard shortcuts. Now allow this option and save. Now go to dashboard and open this register for the furniture shop. Now select any product like block screen. And if you want to use here shortcut key instead of this directly selected, then use QTY4 Alt plus Q. Then easily move in this QTY tab and you can easily add here to the quantity for this product. And when you use Alt plus D, then easily move in percentage tab. So now I want to test here Alt plus D. Then see here easily move here percentage tab instead of this selected. And easily add here total percentage. And see here in the line. And when use Alt plus P, then easily move in price tab. If you want to know more shortcut key of this POS, then easily press here Alt plus H. Then provided here all keyboard shortcut key for the POS. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.